Lisa is 41 years old. She's a hairstylist. For 15 years, she's built a loyal clientele. She's good at what she does. She loves it. 5 years ago, she went independent, renting her own booth, being her own boss. She earns around $52,000 a year, some months more, some months less. And she has $3,200 in savings. No 401k, no pension, no benefits from an employer, just her scissors, and a retirement clock that's been ticking for 41 years without anyone paying attention to it. Today that changes. Here are Lisa's numbers. She takes home roughly $3,500 a month after taxes and self-employment expenses. Her monthly costs: rent, $1,100. Health insurance, which she pays entirely herself, $380. Booth rental, $450. Car payment and insurance, $320. Groceries and household, $380. Phone and subscriptions, $110. That's $2,740 per month, which leaves Lisa with $760. The problem is that $760 disappears into dining out, slow months, unexpected expenses, and nothing goes toward retirement. She has no employer to set up a 401k, no HR department, no automatic enrollment. For self-employed people like Lisa, retirement is entirely DIY, and nobody taught her how. Here's the thing about being self-employed in America. When you work for a company, retirement happens partly by default. HR sets it up. Your employer matches. The system nudges you. When you work for yourself, nothing happens by default. There is no nudge. There is no match. There is only you deciding to do it or not. Most self-employed people don't decide. Not because they don't care, but because nobody showed them the tools. Lisa has 3 powerful retirement tools available to her right now. She just doesn't know they exist. Here's Finn's fix. Step 1. Lisa opens a SEP-IRA. A SEP-IRA is a retirement account built specifically for self-employed people. Lisa can contribute up to 25% of her net self-employment income, potentially up to $13,000 per year based on her earnings. Every dollar she contributes is tax deductible, which means her taxable income drops, and her tax bill goes down at the same time she's building retirement savings. She can open one at Fidelity or Vanguard in under 20 minutes. There are no monthly fees, no employer required. The goal: Lisa contributes $400 per month. That's $4,800 per year. At 7% average annual return over 24 years. Lisa reaches retirement at 65 with approximately $295,000 from the SEP-IRA alone. Step 2. On top of the SEP-IRA, Lisa opens a Roth IRA. The Roth IRA contribution limit is $7,000 per year. At her income level, Lisa qualifies. She starts small, $150 per month. That's $1,800 per year. Why Roth? Because every dollar Lisa puts in grows completely tax-free. When she withdraws in retirement, she pays 0 tax on the gains. At 7% over 24 years, that $150 per month becomes approximately $103,000, tax-free. Combined with the SEP-IRA, Lisa is looking at nearly $400,000 by retirement. Step 3. Lisa needs to solve the self-employed income problem. Her income is not $3,500 every month. Some months it's $4,500. Some months it's $2,200. That inconsistency makes saving feel impossible, because in a slow month, there's nothing left. The fix: Lisa builds a 1-month income buffer, $3,500 in a separate high-yield savings account. In good months, she tops it up. In slow months, she draws from it to cover her fixed expenses, including her retirement contributions, which never stop. This is the secret to self-employed financial stability: not earning more, smoothing what you already earn. With this buffer, Lisa's retirement contributions become as consistent as a salary employee's. Every month, rain or shine. So here's what Lisa's retirement looks like at 65 if she starts today. SEP-IRA at $400 per month, approximately $295,000. Roth IRA at $150 per month, approximately $103,000. Combined, nearly $400,000. Plus Social Security, be based on her self-employment history, estimated at $1,400 per month. Total monthly retirement income, approximately $3,000 to $3,200 per month. For a woman who lives modestly and owns her time, that is enough. That is real, and it starts with $550 per month beginning this week. The hairstylist who had nothing saved at 41 retires with dignity at 65. Here's what I want Lisa and every self-employed person watching this to understand. Not having an employer doesn't mean not having a retirement. It means you are the employer, and good employers take care of their people. Take care of yourself. The SEP-IRA, the Roth IRA, the income buffer. 3 things this week. So here's your challenge. Are you self-employed with no retirement savings? What's the one thing stopping you from starting today? Write it in the comments. I read every single one, and share this with a self-employed friend who needs to hear it. I'm Finn, and this is what money is really about. Next week, how Americans spend $140 billion on pets every year, and what your cat is actually costing you over a lifetime. Subscribe so you don't miss it.